Condensation polymerization. Now, condensation polymers are formed when monomer molecules are linked together with the removal of a small molecule, usually water. So, as you can see that these two molecules join together by condensation and form this whole molecule, and water is released. And hydrolysis is when this molecule breaks down into two molecules. Then we have nylon. So nylon, how is nylon made? Nylon is made by a dicarboxylic acid and a diamine. So they both add up to make a nylon. Nylon is a polyamide made from dicarboxylic acid monomer and diamines. Now, an amide linkage, as you can see here, is formed with the subsequent loss of one water molecule per link. So, the carbon and the nitrogen bond is the amide linkage.